Today, we will delve into the fascinating topic of the science of the brain. The human brain is perhaps the most complex and sophisticated organ in the entire body, with billions of neurons and trillions of connections working together to regulate our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Given its importance, it is no surprise that the science of the brain has been a topic of intense research and exploration for centuries. One of the most fascinating areas of research in the science of the brain is the study of brain development, particularly in early childhood. During this time, the brain is particularly plastic, meaning that it is highly responsive to environmental input and experiences. Through the process of neuroplasticity, the brain is able to adapt and change, forming new connections and networks in response to new stimuli. This is the basis of learning, memory, and cognitive development, and understanding how it works is crucial for supporting healthy brain development in children. Another area of research in the science of the brain is the study of brain disorders, particularly those that affect cognition, emotion, and behavior. These can include conditions such as depression, anxiety, autism spectrum disorder, and schizophrenia, among many others. Researchers are working to understand the underlying biological and genetic factors that contribute to these conditions, as well as developing new treatments that can help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life for affected individuals. The science of the brain is also closely related to the study of consciousness, or the state of being aware of one's thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Despite being a fundamental aspect of human experience, the nature of consciousness remains one of the most mysterious and enigmatic phenomena in the natural world. Through the use of techniques such as neuroimaging and brain stimulation, researchers are working to unravel the complex neural mechanisms that give rise to conscious experience, and to better understand the relationship between consciousness and the physical brain. In addition to exploring the inner workings of the brain, the science of the brain is also playing an increasingly important role in the development of new technologies and treatments for brain-related disorders. For example, advances in brain imaging and stimulation techniques have enabled clinicians to diagnose and treat conditions with greater precision and effectiveness than ever before. Similarly, emerging fields such as brain-computer interfaces and neural prosthetics hold the promise of helping individuals with brain damage or paralysis to regain lost function and independence. Overall, the science of the brain is a vast and endlessly fascinating field, with the potential to impact nearly every aspect of human life. Through continued research and innovation, we can gain a deeper understanding of the brain and its many functions, as well as develop new treatments and technologies to support healthy brain development and treat brain-related disorders. Whether you are a scientist, a clinician, or simply someone with a curiosity about the workings of the human mind, the science of the brain offers a lifetime of learning and discovery. One of the most exciting recent developments in the science of the brain is the emergence of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. These fields are based on the idea that computers can be programmed to learn and adapt in a way that is similar to how the human brain works. By using vast amounts of data and powerful algorithms, researchers are working to develop new artificial intelligence systems that can perform a wide range of tasks, from recognizing images and speech to playing complex games and solving intricate problems. Another area of research in the science of the brain that has received a lot of attention in recent years is the study of brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. As our population ages, the incidence of these conditions is expected to increase dramatically, making it a critical area of focus for researchers and healthcare professionals. Through the use of advanced brain imaging techniques and the development of new drugs and therapies, scientists are working to better understand the underlying mechanisms of these diseases, and to develop new treatments that can slow or even halt their progression. Finally, The science of the brain also has important implications for understanding human behavior and decision-making. By studying the neural mechanisms that underlie our thoughts and actions, researchers are working to better understand why we make the choices we do, and to develop new strategies for promoting healthy and ethical behavior. From understanding the role of emotion in decision-making to exploring the neural basis of empathy and morality, the science of the brain is helping us to gain a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. Overall, the science of the brain is a vast and rapidly evolving field, with the potential to transform our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Whether you are interested in exploring the mysteries of consciousness, developing new treatments for brain-related disorders, or working to create the next generation of artificial intelligence, there has never been a more exciting time to be involved in the science of the brain. With continued research and innovation, the possibilities for discovery and progress are truly limitless. In addition to these exciting areas of research, the science of the brain also has important applications in the field of education. By understanding the ways in which the brain processes and retains information, researchers are working to develop new teaching strategies and educational technologies that can improve learning outcomes for students of all ages. From using digital tools to enhance classroom instruction to developing personalized learning programs that cater to individual student needs, the science of the brain is helping to transform the way we think about education and the learning process. Another area of research that has important implications for the science of the brain is the study of mental health and well-being. Through the use of advanced brain imaging techniques and the development of new therapies and treatments, researchers are working to better understand the underlying causes of mental health disorders, such as depression and anxiety, and to develop new interventions that can improve outcomes for patients. By exploring the neural mechanisms that underlie these conditions, scientists are uncovering new insights into the workings of the brain and the ways in which it can be harnessed to promote emotional and psychological well-being. Finally, the science of the brain also has important implications for our understanding of human society and culture. By studying the neural mechanisms that underlie social behavior, researchers are gaining new insights into the ways in which we form and maintain social connections, and the ways in which these connections shape our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. From exploring the neural basis of empathy and compassion to understanding the role of social networks in shaping our behavior, the science of the brain is helping us to gain a deeper understanding of the complex and multifaceted nature of human social life. Overall, the science of the brain is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field, with the potential to transform our understanding of the world around us in countless ways. Whether you are interested in exploring the mysteries of the mind, developing new treatments for brain-related disorders, or working to create a better world through education and social reform, there has never been a more exciting time to be involved in the science of the brain. With continued research and innovation, the possibilities for discovery and progress are truly limitless.